What if the way you've been trying to attract new patients online is already obsolete? It's no longer about just ranking number one, it's about being the chosen answer by an AI. Patients get their answers from AI-generated summaries, not by clicking through multiple websites. This is the zero-click patient search. If you're not in the AI summary, you don't exist. In the next few minutes, we'll break down the new playbook for dental marketing, focusing on hyper-local dominance, technical foundations, and AI trust. So where do you begin? Not on your website. You start where Google meets the patient, your Google business profile. Your GBP is no longer static. It's a profile needing constant engagement. Think daily photo uploads, weekly Q&A responses, and a steady flow of new reviews. This activity signals to Google that your practice is open, active, and relevant right now. It's a direct feed of trust data that fuels your local ranking. Why does this matter so much? A perfectly optimized GBP is your ticket to the single most valuable real estate in search, the local map pack. Being in the map pack isn't enough. Google now prioritizes being the best and closest option. Your signals must prove you are the definitive authority for nearby patients. But none of this works if Google is confused about who or where you are. A single inconsistency in your name, address, or phone number erodes trust and kills visibility. You've mastered your local presence, but how does the AI brain actually decide who to trust and recommend? It's not about stuffing keywords anymore, so what is it? The first part of the answer is intent. AI isn't matching words, it's matching solutions to problems. Your content must answer the underlying question a patient has. The second part is structure. Schema markup is code that explicitly tells AI what your content is about, your services, hours, reviews. It's a labeled diagram of your practice. And the third part is the foundation. Perfect technical SEO is no longer a bonus, it's a requirement. Errors or slow speeds get you disqualified. Specifically, your mobile site is your site in Google's eyes. If it's slow or hard to use, you're telling search engines your practice is outdated and impersonal. Your technicals are solid and AI can read your site. Now for the most significant part, how do you prove you're the best dentist in town? We asked how AI decides who to trust. The answer is EEAT. Experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. You must demonstrate it. This means detailed clinician bios that go beyond a simple paragraph, list qualifications, link to published articles, and show continuing education to prove your experience. Go beyond stock photos. Use patient success stories with permission. Create short videos explaining complex procedures in simple terms. Show, don't just tell, your expertise. This is why video content has become an SEO super weapon. Office tours, patient testimonials, and team intros build trust in a way text never can. Finally, the most powerful trust signal is social proof. A steady stream of positive patient reviews with professional responses is non-negotiable for proving trustworthiness. You've proven your expertise on your own properties. But what about the rest of the internet? How do you build a reputation that Google can see everywhere? It's no longer about the quantity of backlinks. AI now values trust signals like unlinked brand mentions in local news. It's about authentic reputation. Here's a key signal when patients search your practice name plus a service like Smith Dental Implants. This shows Google your brand is synonymous with that treatment. And don't forget voice search. Patients ask devices, find a dentist near me that does emergency root canals. Your content needs to answer these conversational questions directly. So we have local signals, technical foundations, and trust signals. How do we pull this all together to win in the age of AI? Let's return to the very beginning, the AI overviews and generative summaries. How do you make sure your practice is the one recommended in that summary? This is where it all connects. To feed the AI, you must create content with genuine clinical reasoning. Surface-level blog posts won't work. Your content must show true expertise. The AI summary is built from all the pieces: your active GBP, your hyperlocal signals, your patient reviews, your expert videos, and your in-depth content. This is the new paradigm, AI optimization, or AIO. The goal is building a web of verifiable trust so strong that AI has no choice but to recognize you as the best option. Let's recap the playbook. First, master your hyperlocal presence. Second, perfect your technical foundation. Third, actively demonstrate your expertise. Fourth, synthesize it all. The single most significant takeaway is this: stop chasing keywords and start building a verifiable, multifaceted reputation that both patients and AI can trust implicitly. In 2026, you have a choice. Adapt your strategy to build this reputation or risk becoming invisible to the next generation of patients. Want your dental practice to dominate your market in 2026? Follow this channel for more.